If you're looking for a high-end garage door and you buy from Aaron Overhead Doors, you've probably already seen the Canyon Ridge from Clopay. We're huge fans of this door. There's so many different designs, but here's our modern design with breakup of windows. And it's just really sleek and clean. I think you guys are gonna like this, but there's literally a million different designs you can go with. We have one of these doors in a different style in our showroom in Milton. And so you can schedule an appointment, go check it out. But take a look at this modern Canyon Ridge door from Clopay.